Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor with your After the Bell commentary for Wednesday, May 29th. We're going to go over some weather models and then take a look at some of these charts and break down what happened here today. But first off, looking at the 1 to 5 day forecast, this is the noon model that came out. Still have some pretty big rain totals out there moving through the area within the next week or so. That's going to remain wet. It has supported this market. It looks like it's going to keep supporting the market, but not a lot of changes to this model here today. But the 6 to 10 day forecast has got some larger systems moving through. They did increase some rain events out here to the west. And then once you switch over to the 11 to 15 day model, we do have some larger totals coming across the Midwest once again. So they increased some rain here for the 6 to 10 day forecast, as well as the 11 to 14 day, and that's what gave the market more of a boost today. We're going to start off with July corn. Saw a little bit lower move today, as you can tell. Pretty big bar, though, on the chart. We did finish about $0.015 lower today, not really breaking any range or breaking out of any range here at this point. But 669 going to be some good resistance, as well as filling this gap at 679. So we do have some good resistance right above us. But we are seeing some overbought conditions at this point as well. So be ready for if we do see some profit taking here toward the end of the month and the end of the week. But December, big rally once again in December. We've seen some very large moves, 14 3/4 cents higher for December. We did go on up to 568 on these highs. 570 is your resistance here, with 573 right above it. So we do have some good resistance up here as well. We are approaching overbought, but a lot of concern. As I just showed you guys these weather maps, there are a lot of guys still going to be focusing on that as we get through this 1 to 4 day, the 1 to 5 day map here, with a lot of rain coming through. So some heavier totals on that map that we're going to see basically over the next week. So that will be a concern. We'll see if those rain events continue to push this corn higher, but we do have some resistance right above us. If we do end up breaking above this 570 to 573 area, it does open up the door back up to this 590 to 595. So we'll see if we can get through those areas. As far as beans, July down today, down about 7.5, putting in an inside day on the chart from what we had seen yesterday. Very large bar yesterday, coming in, finishing a little lower, down 7 1/4 cents. But we're still hovering right around this $15 area for July beans. We'll see what the attitude wants to do with that. But right now, the focus is mostly on this November. November today finishing about 1/2 cent higher. A lot of spreads unwinding. That old crop chart, that we had just seen, kind of being pressured a little bit. New crop beans still gaining some strength. We did go on up to about $12.95 today. We settled at $12.88. We are going to see some resistance up around this $12.90 to $13 area. But once again, if we don't see this rain come in, or if we don't see dry weather moving through and we remain wet, that's going to keep the bulls in this market as well, since we are 44% planted here at this point. So something to certainly watch. There's rumors out there of China trying to sell back some of their new crop beans now. We saw an old crop return here this morning. That's what pressured the nearby contract, but watch for that here in the next few days to see if this rumor does come about. But it is just talk. We've not seen any confirmation of that here at this point. So the weather models are going to be very key to watch. We've got a lot of rain moving in and increased rain events here on these extended maps, and that's going to be very important here as we come to the end of the month. But feel free to give us a call if you guys have any questions at all, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today.